Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let me make it clear right in the beginning. My idea to save water is very, very simple. To implement it, you don't have to be a professional conservationist or an academician with a series of degrees. I just want to emphasize this. I want to convey to you all this message that if I can save 20 million liters of water single-handedly in my neighborhood, you too can. And no excuses. Basically, as an author, I prefer to sit on my divan and work with my legs stretched, or take brushes, paints, and start working on a canvas. So the frequently asked question is, what inspired me to leave my cozy corner and take up this challenge to go door to door knocking and correcting faucets? The answer lies in my childhood. मेरे बचपन से जुड़ा हुआ ये सब कुछ है. Because मेरी परवरिश फुटपाथ पर हुई. And when you are brought up on the pavement, you know the value of water. Like people of Dharavi, they know the value of water. My mother used to get up early in the morning to stand in the queue at the public tap. And for what? For just one bucket full of water. And sometimes she had to fight for her right. बचपन तो पीछे छूट गया. Forgot the childhood. But these memories kept on tracking me. It kept on haunting me. So whenever I see a tap dripping, my heart beats. I just get disturbed. And when I visit my friends' houses, when I go to their homes, normally I find a couple of taps leaking. I am sitting in the hall or in the balcony, and somewhere in the kitchen, if a tap is dripping, my ears will pick up, and it will start hammering me. Tapak, tapak, like that somebody is hammering me. So I used to tell the friends, please get it repaired. So they will say, yes, it will be done. So after a month or two, or a few weeks, if I visit again, same taps leaking. Once again I remind them. Once again I get the same similar answer, that no plumber is ready to come for such a petty job. And on top of that, they will invariably advise me, आबिद भाई काय को माथा पच्ची करते हो, अरे चंद बूंदे ही तो जा रही है ना, ओनली इज ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स, कोई गंगा तो नहीं बहा रहे हम लोग. मेरे पास इसका जवाब नहीं था. आई हैड नो आंसर, because it was my personal tragedy of childhood, my agony within. और उनकी एक बात ये भी सही थी कि कोई छोटे काम के लिए प्लम्बर नहीं आता. Especially in ghettos and lower middle class families, the nuisance of leakages is worst. And if they call plumber, he is going to charge 100 rupees. 100 rupees just for the visit. और घर में खाने के लाले पड़े हैं तो प्लम्बर कहाँ से आएगा. इस पर काफ़ी कुछ मंथन दिमाग में चलता रहा. और एक रोज़ सवेरे मैं अपना अखबार लेकर बैठा था, तो उसमें एक पानी पर लेख आया था. उस आर्टिकल में, इन दैट आर्टिकल, it was given that in 1 second, if one drop goes waste, if one drop drips, then in 1 month, 1,000 liters of water goes down the drain. This again, it was a bolt from the blue. एकदम से धमाका दिमाग में हुआ और आइडिया भी आ गया, जवाब भी आ गया. जो लोग मुझसे कह रहे थे कि चंद बूंदे ही तो जा रही है ना, कोई गंगा नहीं बह रही है, तो उनके लिए भी जवाब आ गया कि भाई चंद बूंदे नहीं है, 1000 लीटर, 1000 पानी की बोतलें 1-1 लीटर की कोई गटर में बहा दे तो कैसा लगेगा आपको। और आइडिया ये आया कि बहुत आसान काम है, एक प्लम्बर को हायर करो, सारे दोस्तों के घर जो है ना जाओ और सबके नल ठीक कर दो। दिस आइडिया वॉज द बर्थ ऑफ माई वन मैन NGO ड्रॉप डेड फाउंडेशन। नाउ when we go house to house, we get such a beautiful reception. You cannot imagine, because in childhood, I did not get love from my parents, especially from my mother. She was doing work for other houses, cleaning houses and filling water, and there are so many small petty jobs she used to do. So she did not have time. She did not have time to love children. So here, the God compensated that portion, and I got so much of love. 99% people are waiting for an angel to drop there, and if you start it, it's you for whom they are waiting. लेकिन 1% ऐसे लोग हैं समाज में कि जिनको ये यकीन नहीं होता, they can't believe that somebody is doing some work free of charge. So I remember one incident, the very fascinating incident. My plumber was working inside, and normally I sit outside, I don't go inside because there are two men going inside, doesn't look nice on Sundays. So the guy whose house the plumber was working, that guy came out and said, "Sir, aap bahar kyun baithe? Why you are sitting outside? Just come in, let us have some chat." He never wanted a chat. He wanted to know the secret, why I am doing this work free of charge. I didn't know that, so I went inside. He started chatting here and there, and then he came to the point. "Sir, aap bataiye na, tell me. Sir, what is the secret? Why you are doing it free?" I said, "It's written in the pamphlet. Everything is absolutely clear that we are doing a social work." Then 5-10 minutes, again he chatted. Then again he came down to the same question. "Nahi, sir, please tell us. There must be something in it." I said, "There is nothing. I am not connected to any political party, or I am not connected with any marketing agency. I am just doing it because I enjoy doing it." After 5 minutes, the work was over. I was about to leave. Then he came up to the door. "Okay, sir, now you are leaving it. Please tell me the secret." Now I had to tell him. I had to answer him. He was Muslim. I am a Muslim. I said, "You are a Muslim?" He said, "Yes." I said, "You pray to God?" He said, 5 times a day. I asked him, "Why do you pray 5 times a day to God?" He had no answer. Normally you ask anybody, if Hindu is going to a temple and ringing the bell, ask him, "Why you are ringing the bell?" No answer. Tradition goes on and on. Then after few minutes, he got the brainwave. He got the answer. He said, "Sir, I know it. Why I am praying it? Because I want to make God happy." I said, "Fine, very good, excellent. I am doing this social work. ये मेरी बंदगी है, एंड इस बंदगी से खुदा भी खुश होता है और बंदा भी खुश होता है." So these are all experiences. You learn through experiences. एक बड़ा vital सवाल, the vital question is कि suppose if you want to start, if anybody wants to start, from where the funding will come? जब मैंने शुरू किया, when I started, I also had that, I had to think for few minutes कि प्लम्बर का खर्चा होगा, उसके बाद में दूसरा खर्चा होगा कि भाई हाउसिंग सोसाइटी कहीं दूर है तो जाने का ऑटो फेयर होगा, करेक्शन करेंगे तो वॉशर बदलना है या जो कुछ चेंज करना है उसका खर्चा होगा. आई वॉज कैलकुलेटिंग इट, एंड सडनली, अनबिलीवेबल, सडनली 1 लाख रुपए का चेक घर पे आ गया. फॉर वॉट? फॉर माई लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट इन लिटरेचर. What I want to convey is, it didn't come for the literature. For so many years I am writing. I have written 80 books. Why nobody thought of giving me the award? Why at this particular juncture I got the award? Because God realized that I want to do something good for the society and with total transparency. So he had to send me some money. तो उसने ये जरिया ऊपर वाले ने आजमाया मेरे घर तक पैसे पहुंचाने के लिए. आबिद डोंट वरी, आई एम योर फंड रेजर. और यहां से फंडिंग शुरू हुआ. इसमें सबसे बड़ी कंडीशन जो है, एक कंडीशन है इसके अंदर कि यू हैव टू बी टोटली ट्रांसपेरेंट. इफ यू आर ट्रांसपेरेंट देन you get all the benefits. If you are true to your cause, and no agenda to make money. Normally NGOs, they have a big office, AC, cars, everything, and the funding is haywire. So in this condition is, if you want to make God your fundraiser, the first condition is that you have to be transparent. I give you one example. जब मेरे पास पैसे खत्म हो गए 2010 में पैसे खत्म हुए, यानी कि 2007 से स्टार्ट किया, 2008, 2009, 2010 में लाख रुपया, टी शर्ट छपवाए, पैम्पलेट छपवाए, ये सब किया, पैसे खत्म हुए. आई डिसाइडेड टू क्लोज इट डाउन, बट ही नेवर वांटेड मी टू क्लोज डाउन. सो सरप्राइजिंगली अ कमिश्नर, इनकम टैक्स कमिश्नर ऑफ बॉम्बे, जो ट्रांसफर होकर दिल्ली से आया था, ही वॉज माई रीडर ऑल्सो. So that commissioner phones me, कि आबिद I want to meet you. Imagine, I felt so thrilled that कि जिस कमिश्नर के पीछे सारे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट पड़े हैं अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए, वो मुझे बुला रहा है, मुझसे मिलना चाह रहा है. I said, please come to the press club. We'll have a good chat. After few talks, he said, Abid, I have heard that you are closing down your one-man NGO. So what is your requirement? How much money you want? ये सुनकर तो मैं I was so thrilled कि अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि भी मुझे एक ऑफिस भी चाहिए. So far I am working in my house only, one-man NGO. I don't need office or I don't need anything. But if I want to expand, then I will need an office where I can store my posters, T-shirt, everything. So calculate किया तो करीबन 50 लाख रुपया चाहिए. When I was thinking on this level, suddenly a brainwave came and I refused the donation. So he was surprised. लेकिन वो पैसा जो रहेगा वो भय का रहेगा. They are scared. So they will come and give me. It's not out of love. It's not out of commitment. Me and the commissioner were having beer. बेचारे का नशा उतर गया. उसकी जिंदगी में कोई ऐसा शख्स आया ही नहीं होगा कि जिसने उसकी ऑफर को ठुकरा दिया. काफी सोचने के बाद he came to one decision and told me that Abid, now I am giving you an offer which you cannot refuse it. I said, please go ahead. Then he said, मैं 10,000 रुपए तुम्हें डोनेशन अपनी सैलरी से दे रहा हूं. मैंने कहा अभी चेक फाड़ो और मुझे दो. So this is I am getting out of love. कोई 5 रुपये भी आउट ऑफ लव देना चाहता है तो मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं है. आई विल गो आउट ऑफ माई वे टू टेक इट. अब एक छोटा सा पॉइंट और जो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग गुड फॉर द सोसाइटी विद टोटल ट्रांसपेरेंसी, ऑल गुड पीपल स्टार्ट कमिंग इन योर लाइफ, ऑल पॉजिटिव पीपल. आई गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल. व्हेन आई वेंट टू गेट दिस pamphlet printed, the costing that was given to me was 6,000 rupees for 5,000 pamphlet, because it is on art paper, color printing and everything. I said done. When I went to take the delivery after 10 days, he says with folded hands, sir, you are doing such a wonderful work, how can we take money from you? I said, look, this is your profession. He said, no, first time free, next time if you come, we will charge. So this is the one I got an honest person in my life, positive person. लेकिन इससे पहले मुझे जो प्लम्बर मिला, जब मैंने उससे कहा कि भैया ये मैं करने शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ तो आप आप क्या लेंगे, मुझे 2 घंटे चाहिए। उसने कहा सर आप फ्री में कर रहे हैं तो मैं आपसे पैसे कैसे लूं? See, the series of people, all positive people started coming in my life. So what I want to tell you is be transparent, start doing some social cause. If you can't do it for water, do it for sparrows, do it for any other cause. India needs people. India needs honest people. And those honest people are all sitting here. Thank you very much.